OCISC-OMPAS. Honest Cabbage Rolls!
Hey guys, look what I found up there. It's an express. Woohoo. Let's try a bit. It's got a free lightning, tiling, cab. Yes, hydraulic. The inputs are 750 kgs. Upstairs. Pretty interesting. Let's watch one grad. Free. Holy juice, I think. So let's go down to ground. 3, 2, 1. That says ground, and then that says 0. No, so I take. Let people like us know if the door's unlocked. Schindler tenement. I would have mentioned that. Upstairs then. A very shit kind of indicator. And I can actually touch it up, nearly touch up the around 0. And let's watch the lift go. And that must be it. This is Patrol House. No! What did they do? This used to be an express and now it's this piece of fucking shit. Oh my gosh, thank God I made my videos not made because I swim. It's now a fucking generic. Oh dear, this is bad. Why did these shit company have to modernize it? So glad I saw this when I did. Oh, so all the cap's still the same, but yep, modernized. Yeah, so yeah, did Schindler modernize this? Cause it doesn't look like it. It more looks like crappy Phoenix shitty elevators. Yeah, it's still hydraulic. Indicator used to be there, now it's here. And if you take a look out here, okay, oh good, it's still there, but everything else is ruined. Yeah, I hope Schindler still maintains it if they're not these stupid generic lift companies.